Hyw, gŵr oedrannus yn gwisgo gilet yn eistedd yng nghegyn ei di gwladaidd wrth iddo ddarllen darn o bapur scrap.
Oh, God, is it on now? Switched it off, switched it on. Come on. Are you getting this? Right. 9, 15, 17, 30, 41. 5 and 8. Triple rollover. October the 15th coming up. Look at me, broke as ever. Ah. Well, if only one thing gets through. Don't marry, Jess. Am I even listening? If I know me, I'm scrolling through Meta. Facebook. Trying to accumulate more friends. I'm worrying about keeping the ones I've got. Stupid, right? Oh, God. Back in your day, we had everything. We had the entire internet free. And what did we watch? Cats and porn. We had cars. Oh, we could go wherever and whenever we wanted. But mostly we just drove to work. 3 seats empty. Let me tell you, we've got Llandudno Island now, and the Newport Archipelago, and no end of climate refugees, all because you, me, did sod all when we could have. I mean, patio heaters, heating outdoor air. What were we thinking? Well, you try telling that to the poor buggers floating round the fens. Lord. Look at this I scored today from my friendly local dealer, the Candy Man. A whole 7% cocoa. Oh. If you are listening to me now, Hugh, don't stint on the BARA BRITH. All right? No, you fill your bloody boots, boy, because that's frowned on now. It's a bloody travesty. There's not a patch on the chocolate we had as kids' mind. Do you remember when a minty stick of rock was a perfect palate cleanser after fish and chips at the seaside? No, the fish are all but gone now. And sugar and the sea are not our friends anymore. They never were. You wouldn't think I'm on my third heart now, would you? And all grown from my own stem cells.
Warning. Elevated blood sugar level detected.
Like I always tell myself, in my heart of hearts, it's only looking out for me. It's not all bad. I can't wait for you, me, to see how solid virtual reality is now. Quantum tech, it's called. QT can deliver brain-bendingly magical top-drawer frolics. One fantasy dinner party, I beat Cleopatra, Madame Pompadour, Einstein, Isaac Newton, and Mother Teresa, hands down, a twister. From my sofa, I can travel anywhere in the cosmos. But I'd swap it in a sclerotic heartbeat for one last conversation with Mum and Dad. It's like Einstein told me that time, right? He said, Hugh, no matter what, she'll always be your father. I didn't handle your transition very well back then, Dad. But if you can, hear me now. I miss you. more than chocolate. If this really is a second go, it beats winning the lottery hands down. I'm just so sorry that it's taken all these years to tell you, Mum. Dad, I love you.